Rawpixel Honest Review, my real user experience with this stock image and vector website. If you've ever searched for high-quality stock photos or creative design assets, you've probably stumbled across Rawpixel. But is it actually worth using compared to giants like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock? Here's my honest experience after using Rawpixel for several months. Rawpixel stands out for its modern, artistic approach. While many stock websites feel generic or repetitive, Rawpixel's collection feels fresh and unique. You'll find premium photos, illustrations, paste mockups, and vectors that are perfect for social media, branding, or personal projects. Most people get this wrong. They assume all stock sites are basically the same. But Rawpixel takes a more creative angle. It emphasizes design diversity and social good, even offering public domain and free-to-use collections through its public domain library. The interface is simple and intuitive, and I liked how easy it was to filter by color, style, or format. The subscription options are flexible too. There's a free plan with limited downloads, and a premium plan that unlocks thousands of exclusive assets. The quality of images is where Rawpixel shines. Every asset looks professionally curated, with less filler content than other stock libraries. For small businesses or designers on a budget, this balance of quality and price is hard to beat. The only downside? The download limits can feel restrictive if you're running multiple design projects, but for most creators, the premium plan offers more than enough flexibility. In short, Rawpixel is a hidden gem for creatives who want originality without breaking the bank. Whether you're a marketer, designer, or content creator, it's definitely worth checking out.